Today is National Quinoa Day, so I thought I would do a quinoa salad using 3 different types of quinoa: butternut squash that's been roasted in the oven, love that, shiitake mushrooms, and Montmorency cherries, among other things. Oh yeah. There we have it. Isn't that pretty? All those fall colors going on. Doesn't have to be fall, but it's still pretty. I like earth tones. So, a little trick about quinoa. It can have a little bitter taste or aftertaste if you don't treat it properly. What I do is I toast it in some oil, can be olive oil or whatever, for 3-4 minutes. Sort of like you're doing a rice pilaf. Then put your liquid in. Get rid of the bitterness. Then it's really good. Damn, that's good. Damn, that's good. Actually, damn, that's good.